Hi, let me show you how to get back button on Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you accidentally or maybe not accidentally set up gesture navigation, so you'll see this line on the bottom of the display, and now it is uncomfortable to use your phone, then let me show you how to get buttons navigation back. For that, go in your phone settings, choose display, and then scroll a bit down to find navigation bar. Tap it, and from swipe gestures, switch to buttons by tapping it. And this is your back button. So now to go back, you need to simply tap the button. Also, you can choose more options and change the order. For example, back button move to the left side. And that's basically it, how you can get your back button. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.